नाम षष्ठं मनुमपि शचिपुत्रमत्र स्वरूपं रूपं तस्याग्रजमुरुपुरीं माथुरीं गोष्ठवाटीं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवासां प्राप्तो यस्य प्रथितकृपया श्रीगुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवैभव पुरी गोस्वामी नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वती नामिने। आजानुलम्बित भुजौ कनकावदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वम्भरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो। हेलोधुलितखेदया विशदया प्रोन्मीलदामोदया साम्यशास्त्रविवादया रसदया चित्तार्पितोन्मादया सस्वद्भक्तिविनोदया समदया माधुर्यमर्यादया श्रीचैतन्यदया निधे तव दया भूयादमन्दोदया। तस्या अपार रससार विलासमूर्ते रानन्दकन्द परमाद्भुत सौम्यलक्ष्म्यः ब्रह्मादिदुर्गमगते वृषभानुजायः कैङ्कर्यमेव मम जन्मनि जन्मनि स्यात्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम्। हे देव हे दयित हे भुवनैकबन्धो हे कृष्ण हे चपल हे करुणैकसिन्धो हे नाथ हे रमण हे नयनाभिराम। हा हा कदा नु भवितासि पदं दृशोर्मे। अंगश्यामलिमा छटाभिरभितो मन्दीकृतेन्दीवरं जाड्यं जागुडरोचिषां विदधतं पट्टाम्बरस्य श्रिया। बृन्दारण्यनिवासिनं हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्धनिवेशितो ज्वलभुजं ध्यायेम दामोदरम्। नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। भक्त्या विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयी त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। जं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव। पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। तमादिदेवं करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहितावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्रीजीव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ आददान तृणं दन्तै हृदं जाचे पुनः पुनः श्रीमद्रूप पदाम्भोज धूलिश्याम जन्म जन्मनि श्रीचैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले सोऽयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my innumerable Sashtang Dandavas unto the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nithala Pravishtom Vishnupad Paramahansa, Ashtottara Sata Sri Srimad Bhakti Vaibhava Puri Goswami Maharaj, and pray his causeless mercy. Then I offer my innumerable Sashtang Dandavas unto the lotus feet of his divine grace, Nithala Pravishtom Vishnupad Ashtottara Sata Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Then to his divine grace, Nithala Pravishtom Vishnupad Ashtottara Sata Sri Srimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. Then to his divine grace, Nithala Pravishtom Vishnupad Ashtottara Sata Sri Srimad A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Prabhupada. Then to all Guru Vargas, Guru Parampara, and pray their causeless mercy. Then I offer my innumerable Sashtang Dandavas unto the lotus feet of all present Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis, devotees, and pray the causeless mercy of all. By the causeless mercy of Vrishabha Nandini Srimati Radharani and Lord Damodar, Gurudev and Vaishnavas, first we visited Prem Sarovar, but due to not favorable conditions, so we could not release the sweet pastime of Prem Sarovar. So we will discuss about Prem Sarovar, then Sanket. Prem Sarovar means the transcendental law. Sarovar means the pond. That pond was manifested by Radha Krishna Supreme. So it is Prem Sarovar. How it manifested? That is very important place in Varsana. That is very, very important place. We should know that. We were going to discuss that, so we could not there. Because that was not favorable. Here more peaceful. So one day Radha Krishna, they were in that grove of Prem Sarovar. That place where we were sitting, that is not like that. Full of forest, very dense forest. So many groves, very beautiful. So one day Radha Krishna, they were sitting. Even Radharani was sitting on the lap, putting her head on the lap of Krishna. Krishna was sitting, Radharani was putting her head on the lap of Krishna, surrounded by Sakhis. But at that time what did happen? One bumblebee came. That bumblebee was coming and trying to sit on Radharani's face, lotus face, thinking that this is lotus flower. So bumblebee is going to lotus flower to suck the pollen or honey. Similarly, when bumblebee saw that Radharani's face was so beautiful, he was confused thinking that this is lotus flower. And he was trying to sit on the face or cheeks of Radharani which is looking like lotus flower. So when Radharani was trying to protect, like this doing, and trying to drive him out. But he was not going again and going, like sometimes we are also looking some fly or bee, they are coming and when we are trying to go, then going again coming. Yes. And Radharani also doing Himalaya pastime. So don't think Braja is sweet. And yesterday I told what is Madhurya means human life. Don't think why if Radharani wants a bumblebee go run away. No, never will go. Then no, brother, then become Vaikuntha. So here Radharani tell also what bumblebee will not go. This is the sweetness of this brother. Because Radharani is not doing the pastime I am the queen. She is doing the pastime like ordinary gopi. So that bumblebee also knows. So when driving also not going. Again coming and trying to see. Then Madhumangal was there. When Madhumangal saw that this bumblebee is coming and trying to disturb Radharani, then he took big stick. When he saw that Madhumangal and the stick, then started to run away. That bumblebee. But he was not fearing to Radharani. When Madhumangal took the stick and tried to drive him out, then he was running, Madhumangal also run. Because again he will come other way. So he was trying to drive him a long distance. Then after long distance, then he was very long distance, then Madhumangal again came. And when Radha Krishna and all Sakis were present, then he said, I have driven him out of the Kunja long distance to Madhusudan. He spoke this. Because Bumblebee's one name also Madhusudan. Madhu Sudayati iti Madhusudan. Madhu Sudayati iti Madhusudan. Means one who is sucking the honey. But Madhusudan, Madhum Sudayati, Nasati iti Madhusudan also. Means who is killing the demon Madhu. Like in Mathura. So he is Madhusudan. So Krishna is Madhusudan. And Bumblebee also Madhusudan. But Madhumangal now told, I have driven out the Madhusudan a long distance. So he will not come anymore. When Radharani came to know from Madhumangal's lotus leaf that Madhusudan went long distance, he will not come anymore. Now Madhusudan is sitting in the lap of Radharani. Radharani is sleeping in the lap of Madhusudan, Krishna. But when Madhumangal spoke this, then Radharani became fearful. This is called the mood of a prema vaichitya bhava, prema vaichitya. When one will come in the mood of a prema vaichitya, what is the influence of prema vaichitya? The influence of prema vaichitya, you will see it together, but you will feel separation. So this is the speciality of prema vaichitya mood. In Prem Sarovara, prema vaichitya mood manifested in Radharani. So what is the significance of prema vaichitya? The significance of prema vaichitya is staying together, but you cannot know that you are together, you will feel separation. So now you see, after listening from Madhumangal's lotus leaves, that he had driven out the Madhusudan long distance, so he would not come anymore. After listening this only from Madhumangal, Radharani came in transcendental ecstasy, which is called Prema Vaichitya. Prema Vaichitya, I told, staying together, but you will feel separation. So when Radharani felt separation, then she started crying. She came in transcendental ecstasy of Prema Vaichitya. Although Krishna was together with Radharani, but she felt separation. So when she felt separation, then she came in transcendental mood. When Radharani came in transcendental mood, Krishna was with Radharani. So Krishna also came in transcendental ecstasy. Prema Vaichitya, both. So when both of them in the ecstasy of Radha Krishna in Prema Vaichitya mood, then ears filled with tears and full of body became full of perspiration and sweating. And like out of 8 symptoms of transcendental ecstasy, one of them is Sweda. Sweda means he is sweating. So when Radha Krishna, both of them came in transcendental ecstasy of Prema Vaicitya, then tears filled with, eyes filled with tears and whole body filled with the transcendental ecstasy of perspiration or sweating. Then the transcendental tears and transcendental perspiration which came out of transcendental ecstasy, which is called Prema, so that became one pond, Sarovar. So that is the Prema Sarovar. Well, Prem Sarovar ki Jai. So this Prem Sarovar when manifested, now after looking to Radha Krishna's this condition, Sakhis also became like that. Now all are coming in transcendental ecstasy and losing external consciousness. Now who will console them? Who will bring external consciousness to them? Because now Krishna is senseless, Radharani is senseless due to influence of Prem Vaicitya. Now Lalita also became, Vishakha, all Sakhis Mandiris, they also fainted. Now is a big problem. If one two is there in external consciousness, then he or she can bring external consciousness to others. If all fainted, what will happen now? No one is there to bring the external consciousness. If all of us we are asleep, who will make the waking up? So now Radharani is fainted, Krishna is fainted, Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Sampalata, all Mandiris they are fainted now. So big problem, all are senseless now. Then how to bring the external consciousness? Then Radharani's parrot came. Sari. Then Sari started chanting Radhe 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 Radhe. And then Krishna's parrot came. Krishna 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 Krishna. So when Radharani heard Krishna's name, then she came in external consciousness. When Krishna heard Radharani's name, then he came in external consciousness. When Radha Krishna together heard by Lalita, Vishakha, etc., they came external consciousness. So then they came external consciousness. And by the perspiration and tear of Radha Krishna's Prem, that pond manifested, so that is called Prem Sarovar. Well, Prem Sarovar ki Jai. So after this pastime, Krishna thought, now I am with Radharani. But still she is feeling separation. If Krishna is not with Radharani, then at least Krishna feeling little good. Why? Because when Radharani is alone, then she is remembering to Krishna. Then when she is looking tumultuary, thinking Krishna, tumultuary is Krishna, she is embracing. So getting some happiness and some separation mood is going down. So Krishna was watching this. When Krishna is not with Radharani, then she is remembering more to Krishna, and when looking tumultuary, thinking Krishna, embracing. But now I am with Radharani together, but still she is feeling separation and crying. So this caused Krishna to perform the pastime of pravasa, dura pravasa. Dura pravasa means to go distance. So this Prem Sarovar pastime caused Krishna to go to Mathura and to Dwaraka. And other reason is, this caused the manifestation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So all these three from Prem Sarovar. Prem Sarovar is the route for going to Mathura, going to Dwaraka, and the manifestation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that's why that Prem Sarovar is very important. One who will take bath there, then he will get Radha Krishna's Prem. So that is not ordinary water. That is transcendental Prem of Radha Krishna together. We are not able to see that due to mundane eyes, but that is Prem of Radha Krishna manifested in Prem Vaicitya mood, which became the liquid form. So that is why the name of that pond is called Prem Sarovar. After that, now where we are here, it is called Sanket. Sanket means a signal or indication. Like boys and girls, lover and beloved, there are so many indications to meet each other. In Rasa Shastra, it is explained. What is indication for what kind of activities. So here Radha Krishna first met in this place. during Purvaraga, after Purvaraga, Radha Krishna met here first time. After meeting here only they met all other places. But after Purvaraga means lover and beloved, they are loving each other, but impossible to meet. So eagerness is more. Radharani wants to meet, Krishna wants to meet, but it was impossible to meet. So now you see there is nearby one Bihol Kund. Near in this place is Bihol Kund. There is so written, you see, Bihol Kund past tense. So Bihol means very eagerness. Means Krishna was very eager to meet with Radharani. In all places, in 3, 4, 5 places it is written. The Bihol Kund past tense. Yes, Bihol Kund past tense. So what is the Bihol Kund past tense here? Because one day Krishna was so eager to meet with Radharani. At that time, the Sari came and they chanted Radhe, 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 Radhe. But after listening Radharani's name, then Krishna became more and more to meet with Radharani. Now he is unable to do anything, his mind is nowhere else, only how to meet Radharani, he was very eager. When Subal saw this condition, then he could not tolerate this, the suffering condition of his dearest friend Krishna. Subala could not tolerate the suffering condition of his dearest friend Krishna. So he wanted to make some arrangement how Radharani can meet with Krishna. So then he took the help of Vishakha. Okay. Oh Vishakha, this is the condition of Krishna. So you please arrange how to meet Radharani with Krishna. Then Vishakha said, yes, don't worry, I will try. So let us try together. Then Vishakha and Subala, they all tried how to bring Radharani. Then Vishakha and Subala, they went to meet with Radharani. Then they spoke, oh, this is the condition of Krishna. Without you, now he is unable to survive. He is crying, oh, where is Radharani, where is Radharani, where is Radharani, like this. Always he is trying to meet with you, but it is impossible. So you be merciful to meet with Krishna. Then after listening to this, Radharani came. When Radharani came, then from distance, she was watching how Krishna was very eager to meet Radharani, how he was crying, how he was feeling separation. Then after looking Krishna's condition, then Radharani came and met here. So that is why the name of this pond one is there, Bihol Kund, where they met each other. And after out of meeting, when they came in the transcendental ecstasy, then there also became pond, which is called Bihol Kund. Bol Bihol Kund ki jai. Then one more pastime, first Radha Krishna how met here. That is Sanket. The significance of the Sanket is the first meeting of Radha Krishna. Like Krishna here, Radharani was feeling separation due to eagerness. Till now they did not meet each other, but they love each other in Purvaragam. Then one day Radharani listened the flute sound. Then after listening that flute sound, now Radharani became very attractive. Then she asked to Lalita, Vishakha, etc. Oh Lalita, oh Vishakha, who is this boy who is playing this sound? Very sweet, which is attracting to me. I cannot sleep, I cannot eat, I cannot do anything. Only my mind 24 hours a day thinking about that flute sound. Who is playing that flute? I want to see him. Then after some time, Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, they came to know. I spoke something in Barsan also. When Chitra Sakhi came to know that Radharani is very eager to meet with Krishna, that's why she is not eating, not sleeping, nothing. Then Chitra made one photo of Krishna. Yesterday I spoke. Then Chitra gave this photo and in front of Radharani told, oh Radhe, who is playing the flute and whose flute sound is attracting to you? This is this young boy. When she saw, then she became very attractive. Then forget that flute sound, now attracted towards this photo. So when she saw the photo, then she wanted to meet that boy whose photo was done drawn by Chitra Sakhi. Then I painting. That painting. So that painting boy who is attracting Radharani now, she is very attracted to meet. Now how to meet? Then Lalita, Vishakha, Madhumangal and Subal Apsakari, they made arrangement how to bring Radharani and Krishna. Then Krishna's group, Sakhas, and Radharani's group, Sakhis, Purnamasi and Jogamaya, they decided how to unite them first time. This is first time meeting. Prior to this meeting, they had only Purvaraga, means eagerness. They love each other but did not meet. Then only Purvaraga. After meeting, no more Purvaraga. Purvaraga finished. Purvaraga is till first meeting. Then Uttaraga. So now, Radharani and Sakhis, they are making one plan, how to meet. And Krishna and Sakha, they are making one plan, under guidance of Purnamasi. So then Purnamasi told to Sakhis, you have to make one plan so that Radharani can come here. And now Purnamasi telling to Siddham, Sugal, Madhumangala that you have to make in this plan that Krishna will come here. So according to their planning, then Krishna and Radharani they came so that Jatila, Kutila, Nandava, Madhurasa they could not know. They had a secret plan. So that Nandava, Madhurasa and other older gopis they could not know. There in Vatsana and Javata, now Jatila, Kutila, Abhimanyu they could not know. Because under guidance of Purnamasi, all Sakhis and Sakhas, they made a plan how to bring Radha Krishna. So by their arrangement, Radha Krishna first came here and met. So this is the importance of Sanket. Sanket means indication, means the secret signal. So that only they will understand, others cannot understand. So by that signals and indications, Radha Krishna united here first time. So this name of the place became Sanket. बोल संकेत धाम की जय, संकेत बिहारी भगवान की जय. Here other places are there, and here Sanket Devi also, the presiding deity of this place, the Sanket Devi. So that is why this place became Sanketa, because due to indication or signal, Radha Krishna first time united here. So this is the brief glorification of Sanketa. We will go to other places, Nandagram, etc. Otherwise, what is time now?
10:15.
Then many places there to go.
Hare Krishna.
Hi.
गौशाला में आई अंदर
हाँ.
किसी छोटे डोनेशन कर सकते हैं.
So this.
मैं भी आर्मी रिटायर हूँ.
हाँ?
मैं भी आर्मी रिटायर हूँ.
Sorry?
मिलिट्री से.
हाँ?
आर्मी रिटायर एक्सर्विसमैन आर्मी.
Army. Oh, you were?
फ्रॉम स्टेट हरियाणा.
Oh. You were army officer before? Retired? Okay. So he was army officer, but now he resigned and doing service here. So he is doing service of Gosala. So all devotees, according to their capacity, will give some donation for service of cows. Because cow is very fond of Krishna, so here cow is prominent. And Krishna's one name is Gopal, who is taking care of cows. So cow service is most important in here. So give some donation to him. बोल संकेत बिहारी भगवान की जय, गोपाल भगवान की जय. So give some donation and we will go.